Hello, grade 4 students. Today, we are going to continue our review. The topic is about perimeter and area. After the lesson, I hope you will be able to solve mathematics problems about perimeter and area of square, rectangle, and also triangle correctly. Let's review the formula for perimeters and area. The formula for perimeter, remember that perimeter is the total distance around the shape. So the point is you have to add all of the length of the sides. For rectangle, we have length and the breadth. So the perimeter is 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. For the square, we have 4 sides equally. So the perimeter is 4 times side. And for the triangle, we have 3 sides around. So the perimeter is just plus all the sides. Side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. Alright, that's all the formula you have to remember. And for the area, remember friends, area is the number of square units that cover the surface of a shape. The area for the rectangle is length times the breadth. And the area for the square is side times side or square side. And the area for the triangle with the height line is a half times base times the height. Alright, now let us do some practice. You may prepare your workbook, page 233. Problems number 1. The perimeter of a rectangle is 60 centimeter. Its length is 17 centimeters. Find its breadth. To help you do the problem, the first step you can do is draw the rectangle. Alright? And put all the numbers we know from the problem. We know that the length is 17 centimeters, so you can write it down here. And we know that the perimeter is 60 centimeters. The breadth is the problem we need to find out. Okay, now let's do the problem. Perimeter of the rectangle, remember the formula? 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. Because the length is 17, we put the number here. So the perimeter equals to 2 times 17 plus 2 times breadth. And the perimeter is 60, so we put 60 here equals 2 times 17 equals 34 plus 2 times breadth. 60 minus 34 equals 2 times breadth. 60 minus 34, we get 26 is equal to 2 times breadth. So to find the breadth, we can count 26 divided by 2. So the breadth is equal to 13 centimeter. Problems number 2. The area of a square is 49 square centimeters. Find its perimeter. First, we draw the square, and we know that the area is 49 square centimeters. We need to find out the perimeter of the square, but we need to know first how long is the side. So there are two problems here that we have to do. First, we can find out the side by using the area. Area of square is square sides. Because the area is 49, we put that 49 here equals to square side. So the side is equal to the square root of 49. So we get the side equals 7 centimeters. Now we can get the perimeter easily, of course. Remember, perimeter of square equals to 4 times side. So we get 4 times 7 centimeters. And the perimeter equals to 28 centimeters. So the perimeter of the square is 28 centimeters. That is the answer for number 2. Problems number 3. We have a rectangle here and it is divided into 3 identical squares as shown below. There is a rectangle and I cut it into 3 squares equally. The area of the rectangle is 75 square centimeters. The problem asks you to find the length and the breadth of the rectangle. Alright, we know that the area of rectangle is 75 square centimeters. We need to find out how long is the side of each square because we need to count the length and the breadth of the rectangle, right? We can find the side of each square by using the area of square. How many is the area of squares? We can count from the area of rectangle. There are 3 squares here, so the area of the square equals to 75 divided by 3. And it is equal to 25 square centimeters. Because there are 1, 2, 3 squares here. Alright, now we can count the side by using this area. The area of a square equals to square side. The area is 25. We put 25 here equals to square side. And the side is equal to the square root of 25, which is 5. So the side of the square is equal to 5 centimeters. Now we can find the length and the breadth from the rectangle. So the length, look at here, the length of the rectangle is side plus side plus side equals to 5 plus 5 plus 5 and equals 15 centimeters. While the breadth is equals to the side of the square. So the breadth is equal to 5 centimeters long. Okay, friends, that's how to do. You may take a look the problems carefully and follow the steps. Okay? Now, here is the assignment you have to do. Do the workbook on page 233 carefully and correctly. Please, you can follow the steps I showed before in the video. Alright? If you need to check it again, you can repeat again the video again and again. Okay? Please submit your work on time, friends. Alright? Good luck and keep on studying, friends. Thank you for watching. Bye, friends.